my name's Kevin Rudd. I'm the former Prime Minister of Australia, in fact number 26 in the short history of our great and glorious Commonwealth.
Vice-Chancellor, taking account of this exceptional record, I therefore invite you to confer the Honorary Degree of Doctor of Letters on Kevin Rudd.
I thank this ancient university, founded in the 15th century, for extending me the great honour of awarding me this honorary degree. I thank in particular the Vice-Chancellor for his leadership of this storied institution and the great kindness he's shown to me and to my wife Therese during our visit here.
Kevin, having been awarded an honorary degree, you now join a host of celebrated leaders who've passed through our doors to join our global alumni community. So it's great to add your name, Kevin, to that long list of distinguished international leaders.